Hello, hello. Anna Malimon here, and I'm so excited to join you today on another live, another week. And I want to express my gratitude and say thank God that I am here, that I am able to breathe and smile and do everything. And if you're watching me, you're also alive. So it is definitely something to be grateful for. And I just wanted to start off with that. And the reason is because another thing is this day is it's I'm not sure how to pronounce it specifically, but it's like Rosh Hashanah. So it's a celebration of like a new year in another calendar, right? And so it's maybe a new journey, a new beginning to some people. And so I think it's amazing. I never used to celebrate it growing up, but over the past couple of years, we've kind of been exploring it, and it's been really exciting. So I guess my encouragement to you today is that you won't always have the same belief, the same perspective over everything in life until you get to a certain stage in your life, until you get to a certain point on your journey. And so, with like that, also, I have another example is with our kids. We didn't necessarily get into the kids' ministry until we had kids, because then knowing and understanding that our kids are going to be in kids' classes. They're going to be socializing, and we kind of wanted to be around for them. First of all, because we love them and care about them, and we also want to know what they're being taught, and then we also wanted to be a part of it. And so the thing is, we didn't get into it when we were youth, when we didn't have kids, but when we came to a level where we had children, we decided to get into kids ministry, and so that's what we've been kind of a part of in church. And so as we kind of like grow into someone else and into something greater in our and go move into different stages in our life, we do things different ways. We have different perspectives, different beliefs, and so it not everything is always set in stone. So wherever you are on your journey, that's your journey. Embrace the moment, embrace that time, because you're not always going to be there. You're going to be moving into different phases, into different stages, into different, parts of life. And so I want to encourage you to keep going no matter what, no matter how difficult or easy certain things are in life, or may seem at least. Someone just woke up from a nap. That's why we're in a different location today, also. But, anyways, so we also started homeschool, and we're really excited about it, and just so grateful to be able to have the time with our kids, and to be able to put in the information into them that's going to give them life and hope and bring them blessings. Not, and most of all, the truth. Not garbage and things that, perhaps people want to brainwash kids with now these days. I don't want to be a part of that. I don't want my kids to be brainwashed into something that's not the truth, you know? And for me, that's what it's all about. And I'm just really grateful to be able to be there for my kids, and to start homeschool, and to go on this new journey together this new year. And so, my encouragement to you, wherever you are in your journey, just embrace it, and make every day better for yourself. And I think I'm gonna go because I wasn't expecting her to wake up just yet, but she is up. So that's it for me for today. I appreciate you watching me. Thanks. And I'll see you in my next video. So stay awesome.
Bye.
Bye bye.